Welcome to the Begrepen channel. Today we'll be using Word for transcription purposes. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe for more content. Before we go any further, what is transcribing? Transcribing is the process of turning spoken text, like interviews, into written text. So we turn audio into a transcription, a written version. As one can imagine, transcribing can be an incredible amount of work, if that means writing down every word by hand. Constantly pressing play and pause and rewinding all of the time is a serious effort. To help you with all of that work, there are a lot of online tools. All you have to do is upload your audio file, and these tools will automatically, through speech recognition, provide you with a transcription. Of course, you still have to check the result and make some adjustments, but the hardest part of the job has been done for you. However, these tools don't come free. Luckily, there's Word. Pay attention though. To make this work, we'll be using Word online, in the Office 365 environment, and in the Chrome browser. As soon as you've signed in, open the Word Online app. Open an empty document. In the Start menu, you can see the Dictate button. Press the arrow next to it and select Transcribe. A menu will pop up that will invite you to record audio or to upload your audio file. At the bottom of the menu, you can select the language used in your audio. You select your file and wait for the speech recognition to work its magic. Of course, the longer your file, the longer you will have to wait. Once the analysis has been completed, you can play your file in Word while looking at the entire transcription.
Why is there something instead of why is there nothing? Why does the universe exist at all?
This way you can check whether the app did a good job and adapt the transcription where necessary. You can also customize the names of the speakers for the entire document. When you're done, you add the transcription to your document. You can choose to include the names of the speakers, timestamps, both, or just the text. Of course, you can still make adjustments to your text in this stage. Every Office 365 account can transcribe 300 minutes every month. If you don't need any more, Word is an ideal tool to use. That's all for this video. Check out our other videos and don't forget to subscribe.